All right, good day, everybody. This is the Bitcoin cycle chart, right? So, you see in the previous bull run, what we had around the same time was we had a little rally, and then the price came down, right? Now the rally ended up touching this support line here now. So, based on that, I was anticipating that we would have get back a touch on this support line, but it still have a 50% chance of happening, and this touch will come in at around 40, close to 50,000, right? And then we would see a pullback coming down, forming, and then we will actually start the bull run, right? Now, if in case we do see the pullback happening from now on, this year was the top. The support what I expected the hold is around 17,800, right? We do not really want to see any candle closing below the support because that will trigger us to go to, as you can see here, 2,000 and 4,000 and things you go on this. So all these things here, what it have here, this indicates how far it is we is from the bull run. This still have to adjust because currently we move in some more, so it's like about 100, I think, almost 200 is away from the bull run. And what we could start to see now is a pullback coming back to this level, as I explained, the 17,800 to 20,000 region. We could go back up to like 31,000 here, then come back down, and then after we can move up to 57,000, and then after once we hit this trend here, I expect it to drop back down and hold above 37, then move back up to break this here, and then move to the ultimate target, which is around 140,000 by 2025. Well, you can see the range here is on April 2026, but we could get faster depending on how the market is. So that is why I have plenty people investing in Bitcoin, because the return here, what it have in the past, if you watch from the previous bull cycle, those who bought around 10,000 at the top, them make almost 7 times the money. And this was a very well printed pattern to sell, because if you watch here, you can see which one the high here is in the RSI, and watch it chart when it make a next higher high or even it was lower. So this was a bearish diversion here. And there's a monthly bearish diversion. So that is why it is we had this massive pullback. And now what take things out of the chain, what plenty people fail to realize, right? When we came down here with this correction here, we just keep making lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low. But then afterwards here now, we started make higher high, higher high, higher high. So that was a trend reversal. So that is why plenty people are anticipating that we could have seen price action continue going up. And if you watch here on the RSI too, on the MACD, you would see that a green start up here, and the only time when this green is up here is when it started to take up volume. So this could still turn to 50,000. I would say it have a 40% chance right now happening, right? And if you watch on the monthly RSI, you can see that it actually crossed over bullish. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out in the coming weeks. Yeah, so I put some more money right now on Dodge and some of those things. When the classes started and I have one-on-one classes with people, I'm going to be pointing out what is mine top coins, that what you could actually make 30x to 200x just spot holding it sometimes. In some of them cases, you might probably make probably a million times the return, because now looking at some coins what we could capitalize on. All these secrets are going to share when I have the one-on-one classes with people to help them out, and we're going to properly fix your charts remotely. So I'll be using any desk and I could connect up to your computer, and I could be able to configure your charts and see what is your problems and all these different kind of things. So this here is the Bitcoin cycle chart, right? When you're dealing with crypto, you have to think long term and you have to know what you expect out of crypto. So this year would have been the 2024 Ivan. This year is the next Ivan, which will be around 2028, right? If I continue with my support line, you will see that we could reach up all the way up to almost 200,000, right? If I continue in 2022, 2032, we could go up all the way up to 250,000, right? And that was as far as I have here, because in order to have these lines properly plotted, I need to know what it is the price going to happen for next year, 2026, which what to top out to be able to plot out the rest, right? And this is the legendary support line. So we're going to see how exactly these things playing out in the coming time to come. You're going to see exactly what's going on here. But it's even here at a giant bearish diversion. So all these things here could be what caused it to fall back down here, and also how it corrected. So we have to start a break above these diversions on them so that Bitcoin could really unlock the true potential. Because on this chart here, if we come down here, right, this here is the area to break. Once the RSI break above this, I go avoid this diversion. And if you watch here from since when the price action was so low on 14,000, that is it was so high, right? And right now we reach here. So that's essentially how high it have for Bitcoin to climb on this RSI to reach up to these bull run section, which is 98, and this is the monthly chart what I wanna. And 98 on a monthly chart on the RSI, that is extremely insane. And right now we just there on we did below 52, and the price action there above almost like 30,000. So if you do some calculations, you could really see the end up with the figures of 140,000 Bitcoin if you reach back up to those levels. So this is what you need to be careful of when you're trading, because there are two ways we could go here. If we get some good news that one of the spot ETF get approved, let's go into 50,000. I think the market already adjusted to the 25 base points, so you will not see much of a big pullback. Probably if I drop back down to like 26, 24,000, and we go see back a bounce to try to break the 34,000, because we had a monthly crossover, and this monthly crossover does only happen when we expect to see some serious price action. If you watch here, if you watch here, you're watching the price. If you watch here, here we had this big nice green here, and if you watch here, so we could probably touch back this and then go back up. So we can see what's going on, and even had a crossover in the MACD2 and bullish on the monthly. And these is what you just be looking for in a bull cycle. And when you see these crossover happen in a bear market, that means the low already in, right? But it's crypto, so once again I will say anything is possible. So thank you everybody. Remember, you could go and check out the Telegram channel. Contact me on Telegram for the signals, wheels, kingpin, right? We also have a YouTube channel. We have Bybit affiliation. We get up to 30,000 bonus. We affiliated to it. A whole other set of exchange, Binance, Maxis. You don't want to use no KYC on Maxis. So, but I will still promote to use KYC because we are against the scammers in the crypto world. So that is why it's better we deal with with the KYC people. So this could be it for this shot. For today, everybody have a good day and a safe